ZCAR Stock Analysis and ZCAR Stock Prediction. Zoomcar Holdings. It's like a stock that is at 80 cents. Went 12% up for the whole day. But keep in mind it's on the OTC market and the likelihood that it keeps going down is quite high. In my eyes though, this is very subjective. Well, what are your credentials? I'm the only guy in this space that has done 42,000 videos, documented them all, seen what's printing me money and what's not, and all the data is collected on my YouTube channel as proof. ZCAR specifically, well, even with the limited amount of data that I have, I understand that this is the supply zone. And only if I see proper full candle close breaks above 126, am I actually going to look to take it further up and be bullish on this and all that good jazz. But yeah, here even like if there is a double break, might be willing to take a sell on this, you know what I mean? So ZCAR, let's check previous receipts, which I'm sure I do not have already. Okay, yeah, one receipt here. If you want to get to that 5-10K months from trading, click the first link below. It's risk-free. 1,200 people have already tried it. It's the Discord plus the workshops.